guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am very excited to be bringing you guys a new video featuring a new brand that I have never used, you guys, but I'm pretty sure this is one of my new favorite brands, and that is J Manuel Beauty. So I had the pleasure of partnering up with J Manuel Beauty to create this natural soft glam for you guys. You guys seem to love my natural soft glam makeup tutorials, and I don't blame you. I mean, especially in this heat, you want something that's quick, easy, that still looks full glam but requires a very minimal effort, and I can tell you that this look is just that. And I will mention that the star of today's video is their Hydroluminous foundation. Now I am using the shade Deep Filter 1. This one here worked almost perfectly. It was a smidget too yellow, but I was able to go ahead and fix it, of course, with contouring and bronzing. It gives a very nice, hydrating, dewy finish, and in my opinion is perfect for this time of year. It's not too heavy, it doesn't look too overdone. It's honestly just a perfect foundation for a luminous look. So let me go ahead and stop rambling. I know you guys are excited to see how I achieve this look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Alright guys, so first I'm kicking off the look using my J Manuel Beauty Face Smoothing Primer, which is a luxurious blurring and smoothing primer that really helps to create a really nice even canvas. Now for foundation, I'll be using the Hydroluminous foundation, as I mentioned previously, in the shade Deep 1. And you guys, this foundation is absolutely beautiful. It features hyaluronic acid to mimic the natural properties of the skin. It blends out super easily, and it has a very luxurious texture that feels very luscious and moisturizing to give you that overall filter finish. So now going in with the Photo Illusion Concealer in the shade Cocoa. It's not as bright as I typically do for my highlighted areas, but it definitely worked out for this look because it gave a very nice and natural luminous finish. Now this concealer is created with diamond dust and micronized silk and silicone to really create a nice, bright, filtered finish. As you can see, it's not matte at all. It does have a bit of a dewy finish, but it's gorgeous nonetheless. And I did go ahead and set that with a translucent powder. Next, I'm going to take the 2-in-1 Hide and Contour Duo in the shade Deep. And as you can see, on one side it's a highlighter, on the other side it is a contour stick, you guys. And let me just say, as you can see from my reaction, this product is so creamy. I absolutely love it, okay? You see how easy it's blending out? It's perfect. So I'm just going in, of course, with the contour side and applying that to the upper parts of my cheekbones and really carving out my cheekbones, as well as, you know, deepening the area on my forehead to create some nice dimension. And now I'm going in with the Luxe Filter Loose Powder in the shade Deep to, you know, of course, set my entire face. And this powder here is very finely milled and is created in microspheres with the ball bearing technology to provide a luxurious skin-like finish. And now to further warm up my skin, I'm going to go in with the Sex on the Beach bronzer to, of course, create a nice sun-kissed glow, which is perfect for this time of year. And of course, I'm applying that to my cheekbones, my forehead, and then, of course, the sides and tip of my nose. And I'm also bringing that bronzer into the crease to act as a nice transition shade for our shadow. To add a soft touch of glow, I'm taking that same deep contour and hiding stick and just applying that to the high point of my cheekbone and also right below the brow bone as well. Now, of course, as I mentioned previously, I wanted to do a very natural glam look, you guys. So for the eyes, I'm taking the Ego Intense Color Eyeshadow Quad and applying that all over the eyes. So I did take the soft brown shade and apply that into the crease. And now I'm going with the golden shade all over the lid. Now this eyeshadow has a ultra fine velvety powder that glides on super smoothly, you guys, and blends out like a dream. And it's also enhanced with silicone to even out the dispersion of the pigments without creasing whatsoever. So it basically gives you a very flawless finish. Now on the lower lash line, I really wanted a nice pop of gold, so I'm taking the 24K Ultimate Pencil from J Manuel Beauty and applying that into the waterline, and also going to drag it a little bit along the lower lash line as well to create just a nice golden hue down there. Now for blush, I'm taking the Soft Focus Powder Blush in the shade Bella, which as you can see is a gorgeous bright pink shade, perfect for summer. And going in with the 3D Illuminator, you guys, and as you can see, this highlight, you guys, is all about the glow. It is the perfect golden shade that just gives a really nice sun-kissed look and just kind of brings everything all together. Now for lips, I'm going with the Ultimate Pencil in the shade Hazel, which I personally love, you guys, because these pencils can actually be used on the eyes or on the lips. How cool is that? Then on the lips, I'm taking the Ultimate Lipstick in the shade Siren, you guys, and this lipstick feels so great. It has a moisture-rich stay-in-place formula that boasts a smooth and supple full coverage finish that lasts all day. It is amazing. And I really wanted a glowy finish of the lips, so I added on the Ultimate Lip Gloss in the shade Desire, which, you guys, I think other than the foundation, this is my second favorite item out of the whole collection because the metallic finish and just the glowiness of the lip gloss to me just makes the whole entire look. I went ahead and applied a pair of Falsies off camera, and also am applying the Everything mascara, you guys, which is super rich and black and really lengthens your lashes. So after you've gone ahead and done all that, you guys, here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on this natural glam look, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.